in Butuan. All right. Is that the first? Is that where the first one came? Yung
We
saan
have
yung pinakauna?
The first branch is of course the main Manila. Okay, and then we have Baguio. We have Dagupan. We have La Union. We have Tarlac.
All right.
We have Bulacan. We have Nueva Ecija.
Wow.
We have Naga, Iriga. So as far as Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, we have branches there.
So all in all, do you know the figure? Like how many branches all in all?
As of now, sir, we are expanding.
Expanding.
Because we...
Hundreds more to come.
Yes,
That's
yes.
awesome.
Counting talaga, DJ Tom. Kasi today, mag-open yung Angeles branch namin.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Nice.
And nung siguro mga 2 days ago, nag-open naman yung sa Bulacan namin. So talagang Bulacan, Butuan pala.
Butuan, yeah, Butuan.
So, Dr. Carl Balita Review Center, hindi ko masabi yung figure as of now kasi counting.
By August, we will open, I think, Rizal or Antipolo. So by that, so it's really expanding, right? So we cannot really...
They're like mushrooms,
yes,
growing everywhere. You know what that means? That means it's doing good.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a positive side. Now, air is yours. I'm going to give you gentlemen a few minutes to tell us, tell our listeners everything and anything about Carl Balita Review Center. What is it all about? What is it for? Okay, go ahead. Air is yours.
I think siguro who is Dr. Carl Balita?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so Dr. Carl Balita is our review director. Okay, so he is a registered nurse, registered midwife,
all right,
registered professional teacher, Doctor of Humanities, and Doctor of Education.
Okay.
He is the author of the best-selling Ultimate Learning Guide in Nursing.
Wow.
Ultimate Learning Guide in LET. Ito yung
LET.
Yeah, licensure examination for teachers.
Teachers, yep.
And the author of the best-selling book na Prosperity.
Wow.
Dr. Carl Balita is also known as the business guru and the host of the radio segment in DZMM's Radio Negosyo every Saturday.
Oh yeah, I heard of that.
Yeah.
Radio Negosyo on DZMM. That's cool.
So why business guru? Kasi yung sa segment niya, they talk about
all about business.
Yung mga business natin, mga local business.
Running a business.
Inventors, ganyan. Pinupunta niya yun sa sa segment niya para i-broadcast kung ano yung meron, anong meron sila.
All right.
Okay. So, programs that we offer, we have NLE. This is nursing.
NLE.
Nurses Licensure Examination. This is local.
All right.
And we have also for international, no?
Yes.
Or yung
international licensure for nurses.
Yung NCLEX, ayan, for US, HAAD or Health Authority Abu Dhabi. Yung mga nurses natin na going to Abu Dhabi, kailangan mag-take muna sila ng HAAD at mapasa nila yung HAAD exam para maging nurse sila talaga when they go to Abu Dhabi. Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, yung mga nurses natin, when they go to Abu Dhabi without this HAAD, hindi po sila nurse. No?
Yeah.
Kung hindi, ano lang sila, nurses 8. Ganun ang nangyayari.
So they need to take that in order for them to get the proper license in the country that they're going to, like yung sinabi mo sa Abu Dhabi and other Middle Eastern countries.
Yes, sir. As of now, yung HAAD and Prometrics,
right,
so we are offering sa CBRC, yung programs natin na to, like NCLEX, HAAD, Prometrics, they are, of course, NCLEX is very mandatory. HAAD and Prometrics, that will depend on the agency or the hospital that they want to apply in.
Wow.
So that will depend on the agency whether it is mandatory or not. Mandatory or not. So they will sooner or later, I think the demand abroad will grow, and then they will mandate on the compliance with the HAAD and Prometrics. So we advise that if they are planning to go abroad, they might as well take the HAAD and Prometrics. So they won't
Yeah.
be any problem for them.
Actually, this is very helpful. This is very informative. Yung mga, those who are about to go abroad, yung mga katatapos na nakikinig
Yes.
dyan ngayon, na nurse, those who are about to become teachers. Well, like sinabi mo kanina, yung case na pagdating doon, hindi sila nurses pala unless they take this, not everybody knows that,
Exactly.
di ba? Hindi lahat alam yan. So, ayan po, nakatulong tayo sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng fact na yan. Now you guys know.
Tsaka DJ Tom, the fact na nandito na po yung Carl Balita Review Center.
Alright?
Yung mga estudyante natin na kailangan mag-take, kailangan mag-review, hindi na pupunta ng Manila.
Yes.
Hindi na po sila lalayo. Hindi na
Yeah.
sila magkukuha ng boarding house sa Manila para
Yeah.
mag-review. Kung hindi, dito na po sa Olongapo mismo i-held yung review. No? So,
So yun.
we also have, ayun nga, let review.
LET.
And that will start on August 31.
Okay, so mark your calendars. August 31, yung mga those who are about to take the LET, merong review na ina-offer sa inyo on Carl Balita Review Center. August 31
yes.
is the review date.
Opo, kasi September 29
September
ay
29.
naman ang examination date nila.
Exam date nila.
What we did is we create a program, 10 days po na intensive review yan, every Saturday. So for those na mga nakikinig,
Yeah.
yung mga magte-take ng
exam.
let exam, you go to, you visit us in our office po para ma-inform namin kayo regarding our let review program. We also have NLE.
NLT.
Ang NLE po natin, this is for the nurses na local po to. Mag-start po yung review natin on September 6.
September 6.
For
Ayan, okay.
preparation po naman yan para sa December 7 and 8 na examination. No? Okay.
So yan po yung mga upcoming pinakamalapit na August 31 for the LET,
Opo.
tama ba? And yung isa is September 6.
Opo.
Para naman para saan yun? Nurses ba?
Opo,
Para sa
NLE.
nurses licensure
And meron
exam.
din tayong CSE or Civil Service
Civil
Exam.
Service.
Ang Civil Service Exam naman natin,
Review will start.
Review will start on August 10.
August 10. Yeah.
And para po sa mga nakikinig na mga nag-register for CSE, ano po, meron po tayong extension ng filing. That will be on August 14.
Alright.
Dito po yan sa City Hall, second
Yeah.
floor, FMA Hall.
Yeah, I heard about that. And the examination's gonna be happening there na rin, ano? Dito na rin sa...
Dito na rin po
Sa
sa
Olongapo, yeah.
Olongapo City
That's cool.
National High School on October.
Yes. And sir, yeah, go.
Okay.
What was it?
So doon po sa mga gusto mag-take ng CSE, you still have time to review. Kasi itong CSE program natin, alam niyo yun, sabi nila ang CSE basic exam lang yan no? Pero mas maganda kung ma-reinforce natin yung mga basic knowledge nyo
Exactly,
bago kayo
yeah.
mag-exam para no waste of time and waste of money. So all you
Oo
need
nga
to
naman.
do is register in our program. That is only 5,500. When you go to Manila, that's 7,000.
Oo.
And
Yes.
board pa kayo doon for how
Pamasahe
many
pa.
days? Pamasahe pa. Pagkain nyo pa. So, aside from that, we have criminology.
We have criminology and IELTS.
Yes.
So,
College admission test
College
or
admission
yung mga
test.
UPCAT.
or we call it CBRC, the BRESH.
Bresh.
BRESH. So, BRESH stands for Bridging Review for Enrichment of Senior High. So we called it BRESH. Basically, the aim for BRESH or the college admission test is yung mapataas yung grades nila.
To give them
to
higher,
give them higher
grades,
higher
passing.
grades.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So more or less anything and everything that needs
Yes.
review, di ba? You guys are offering it complete. Walang kulang.
In addition to
Exactly.
that, sir, we have also the andragogy, which our training center. We also offer BLS and ACLS. which for affordable price of I think a bundle of 4,500.
Yes.
Bundle yan.
Bundle, sir.
Anyway, yung BLS, ito yung basic life support and ACLS.
Oh,
Ito,
okay. Basic life support.
kailangan talaga ng
Training.
mga healthcare practitioners natin yan. Caregivers, nurses,
Exactly.
and nag-expire yan every 2 years. So, kung ikaw ay graduate noong 2010, 11, 12, 2013, you need to take the BLS again.
Retake ulit. Yeah, retake.
Yeah. Pero meron pong ano yan, accreditation na you have your ID.
Uh-huh.
It's like similar with Red Cross na basic life support. Ganun po.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So, anything else you guys would like to add? Oh, by the way, nabanggit nyo na rin lang kanina, puntahan nila kayo, sabi mo, sa Carl Balita Review Center. Where are you guys located? Saan kayo matatagpuan? The
Okay.
exact address.
Okay, ang exact address po namin is 1635 Rizal Avenue, West Tapinac, Olongapo City. Ito po, kung
Rizal
magagaling
Avenue.
kayo ng Ulo ng Apo,
Uh-huh.
Ulo ng Apo Rotonda, tapos mga 300 meters away lang po. So, after Ulo ng Apo, bye-bye nyo Rizal Avenue, madadaanan nyo yung Marikit Park sa kaliwa, go straight ahead. After that, Diretes and Philam Life. After Philam Life, ayun na po,
Yun na.
Carl Balita Review Center. Former Lego Brick, right beside Water Plus.
Oh, okay. Madali lang hanapin, ano?
Yes,
It's
opo.
along the way, nadadaanan ng Yellow Jeepney, our main thoroughfare, syempre.
Opo.
Nadadaanan, ayan.
And-
It's also, another landmark there is Olongapo City National High School. Malapit na lang, just a few steps away from
Yes, opo.
Olongapo City National High School. Everybody knows where Olongapo City National High School is. Ayan. So, if you're near Olongapo City National High School, well, you are definitely near Carl Balita Review Center. And you guys have your, like, maybe Facebook page or... Because everybody's on
Yes,
social
opo.
media nowadays, di ba? And siguro, what you guys offer is also posted there. So, much better. Check it out on Facebook.
Yes, CBRC Olongapo.
CBRC space.
Olongapo.
Olongapo.
So makikita nyo na po
Yeah.
doon. And
Page and Facebook.
this is our contact number.
Uh-huh. The contact numbers.
0916
All right.
for Globe. 43-97214.
All right.
Ulitin ko po. For the Globe, 0916-43-97214. And for smart users, 0949-134-6853.
Okay.
Isa pa, 0949-134-6853. By the way, DJ
Alright.
Tom,
Yeah.
meron kaming ongoing promo ngayon. So, yung promo namin, in-offer namin until July 31.
Uh-huh. Cool.
Alam mo, very cheap
July
siya
31, that's last day tomorrow.
Yeah, last day tomorrow. So,
Tomorrow na.
marami nang nagre-register to avail the promo.
Okay.
So,
Cool.
our promo is open for NLE. Na ang regular fee kasi natin is 14,500. Now, kung mag-enroll kayo sa CBRC until July 31, kung first taker ka, 10,000, that's 10,500. Kung second taker ka,
Pag second
Second
taker, we have the promos. If for retakers po, if you are a previous CBRC, you will have 8,500. And then if you have a buddy with you, then we will have the
You bring someone extra.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
bring someone
Rolling
extra. We will have your fee to 7,777.
Madededakhan pa, mas
Yes.
bababa pa.
We have a promo of
Yeah.
7,777.
Wow, cool. All right.
That's
Very-
what we call it.
So bring a friend.
Yeah.
Di ba?
7,700.
And avail of the promo.
Yes, you must have a buddy, or you must go in pair to register to avail a promo of 7,777.
Yeah, that's
so,
cool.
magiging 7,777 na lang yon.
Yeah.
And then, yun nga, yun yung pinaka-promo natin. And then, kahit na po hindi siya dating CBRC, pwede po yun sa promo na yun.
Oh,
That's
cool.
CBRC. Tapos, kung may tatanong nyo lang kung anong edge natin when it comes to review,
Yeah.
mapagmamalaki ko po na itong recent result ng board exam for nurses this June lang, no? Nasa Card Balita Review Center po yung top 1 and top 10.
Oh my, really?
Yes. Opo.
Top 1
and top 10.
Top 10.
And in-
number 1 and number 10.
And in let naman,
What was that again? Yung number 1 and number 10? Anong licensure exam?
NLE for nurses.
for nurses.
Licensure exam, yung local natin.
Yeah. And then,
yung sa let naman natin, mapagmamalaki.
LET for teachers.
Oh, we got the top 7 from
Top
St.
7.
Anthony University.
Yes.
Wow.
So,
That's quite a feat.
and in 6 years, we produced already 60 top-notchers. And tens and thousands of registered nurses ang na-produce na ng Card Balita Review Center.
The woman's voice in the advertisement of yours, that's her. The
Yes.
top
Yes,
one
top
in
one.
the
Si
nursing licensure exam, right?
Miss Beverly
Beverly.
Balagon
Yeah.
from Cebu yun.
From Cebu.
Venice
Wow.
College.
Oh,
Yes.
that's cool. Okay, so I know you guys are thinking, oh, review, I don't need that. I'm so good. But this yields results. And that's the
Yes.
proof, yung sinabi ni
Yes.
Sir John.
You know what,
Ayan.
DJ Tom? Si Miss Beverly, hindi siya she's not the type na cum laude,
top
talagang-
honors their school,
top
hindi naman.
honors.
Yeah.
Hindi eh.
But-
Normal student lang siya. Kaya nakakagulat nang siya yung nag-top
Yes.
1.
Marami nagulat sa kanya dahil yun nga, di nga siya honor, not cum laude. She's
Yeah.
just an ordinary girl na just doing her best in the review. She just sinundan lang niya yung review ng CBRC,
Sinundan niya yung,
review
the
kasi
reviews and
talagang sa CBRC po is talagang yung program namin is designed for the board exam. Hindi lang po kami basta-basta nagdi-discuss lang. We have several tools that we use in order for you to analyze, to evaluate yourself, kung saan ka talaga mahina, saan ka malakas. So, dun pa lang sa mga tools na ginagamit namin within the review, dun pa lang ma-assess mo na, uy, kailangan ko extra effort, kailangan ko pa. So, that is a big impact, that's a big factor na kung paano ka makakaano sa review. And sabi nga ni Sir Carl Balita, hindi ka naman magre-review para pumasa. It's for you to have good grades.
Good grades. Better
Kasi,
grades.
Yes.
If you're already good, imagine nag-review ka pa.
Yes.
Imagine what it
Yeah.
can do for you, di ba? Yeah, exactly.
Yes, you know what? Kasi if you're gonna apply to a hospital, anong edge mo sa iba? Lahat yan may lisensya eh, right?
Yeah.
So, ikaw,
But
ang
if
edge
you have
mo,
that extra
yes.
in your tucked under your belt or yeah. Oh,
So-
this guy topped he aced the exam. Oh, okay. Di ba?
Just having a good grade makes a difference.
Yeah.
So in CBRC, we always say to them that you deserve to be an RN, you deserve a high grade. So, yun.
Definitely. If you're gonna hire somebody, it's always extra plus if you hear
Yes.
something special about that applicant, di ba?
Yes.
Ayan. Okay, so anything else you guys would like to add before we wrap things up? Maybe just invite our listeners, everybody listening right now who's about to take all sorts of
Yes.
exam. Yeah, to cut it short, all sorts of exam po, kompleto.
Yes.
So again,
Whatever it is.
we are from Card Balita Review Center, Olongapo branch, and we are inviting you to visit our office. Those who want to take the review for NLE, NCLEX, HAAD, Prometrics, IELTS, LET, Criminology, Civil Service, and College Admission Test.
Lahat yan. Even for criminology students,
Yes,
right?
we have
Meron din
criminology
sa
review
customs din and all. Tama ba?
Customs right now wala pa po.
Wala pa,
Wala
okay.
pa po tayo.
But you almost have everything that needs,
Yes.
everything that needs review. Just go there. Even for yung mga papasok pa lang sa college entrance exams. Ay,
Sabi nga nila nung iba DJ Tom, bakit ngayon lang dumating ang CBRC sa Olongapo?
Yeah, what took you guys so long? Exactly. I wanna ask the same thing. Buti na paalala mo, nakalimutan ko na, pasarap yung kwentuhan natin. You guys have like a hotline number, landline hotline number?
Yes.
Para people can call anytime.
Landline wala
siguro.
pa as of now. Kasi
Just the
process
text
pa.
numbers that you mentioned
Opo,
kanina.
siguro ulitin ko ulit yung number natin for the Globe users. We have 0916-4397-214. 0916-4397-214, and for the smart users 0949-134-6853. And we are located at 1635 Rizal
Rizal
Avenue,
Avenue.
West Tapinac, Olongapo City, near Olongapo City National High School.
And if all of those things are hard to remember, you simply check them out on Facebook. Shortcut way.
Yes.
I
Yes.
guess the numbers are posted there, right?
Yes.
CBRC space
Olongapo.
Olongapo on Facebook. Everybody's on Facebook naman nowadays.
Yes, opo.
And also, you can listen to the commercial, to the advertisement that we regularly play here at the station. Okay, so we would like to thank Sir John and Sir Terry. Thank you for dropping by.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. Thank you
maraming
din.
salamat for the very informative, very maraming natutunan. Even I myself, I never knew na that thing you said kanina. Ngayon ko lang narinig yun na pagdating doon, nursing aid ka lang pala
Yeah,
unless you took that exam and all. Ayan, so thank you guys.
Okay,
And,
thank you.
Back now to regular programming. All right.
All right.
This is DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio Tuesday edition. Request all you want. Bay FM 89.5. Stick around. We will be right back.
On November 24, 1991, the American carrier USS Bellwood, carrying the last batch of U.S. servicemen, sailed out of the Subic Naval Base, ending nearly a century of U.S. military presence in the country. Immediately, some 8,000 men and women from all walks of life volunteered to protect,